Now I will explain about the third graph. It's a bar graph. First is import the matplotlib as a PLT. This pyplot library is used to creating the visualization. Next is import the numpy as MP. This numpy is a library used to numerical operational particular with array. Next is plt.style.use MPL gallery. This gallery is used to the style of the graph, like the color or the font. Next is the data. X-axis 0.5 is the first one, plus mp.arrange 8 means this will be 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, 5.5, 6.5, and 7.5. And this is the y-axis of the data. Next is the FIG. The FIG means the overall content, how anything. Then AX is the specific area with plot will be drawn. And name is as plt.subplot. And this is the AX bar will be drawn. Put the x-axis and y-axis data. And this width is the width of bar, left to right is 1, and edge color will be white color at here, the graph. And line width 0.7 is the line of the white color, will be 0.7. Next is ax.set is the how many the graph have the box. X-axis has 8 and y-axis have 8 as limitation. The x tick is the tick of the number. X-axis have 1 to 8 and y-axis has 1 to 8. And plt.show is show the output of the result, the graph. That's all for the graph tree explanation. Thank you.